Hey, beautiful, healthy people. It's Elmira again, helping you be a self-care boss. Today, I actually want to chat about massages, how often you should get them. Is one really enough? Short answer, no, one is not enough. When you think about massage therapy, you have to think about how your body changes over time. If your body has changed from month to month, from year to year, you will need to get more massages. I like to look at massages as the same as any other system in your body. Look at it like your excretory system. How many times do your bowel move in a day? How many times do you urinate? How many times do you sweat? How many times do you bathe? You never say, oh, I took a bath yesterday, so I don't need to take a bath today. Now, if you are that person, please do something about your personal hygiene, because that's being a self-care boss. That's not being a self-care boss to not be bathing. I'm off topic now, but let's get back on. One massage is not enough. Number one, your body is going through different things on a daily basis. You are dealing with different things emotionally than you did 2 weeks ago. Those things can become trapped in your body. And by getting another massage or multiple massages, you are helping to relieve that stress. You are helping to relieve that tension, getting your body back on a sense of balance and equilibrium. No, one massage is not enough. To continue to be better, to continue to feel more well, you're going to have to get multiple massages instead of saying, oh, I had a massage 10 years ago, I never need one again. If you've worked out, if you've had a change or some traumatic incident in your life, you're going to need another massage. To book your massage with me, Elmira, at couturemassage.com, go to couturemassage.com and I will set you up with a wonderful, relaxing, peaceful, customized massage. Until next time, make it a relaxing day. Bye.